So that's the specification of my new battery USB charger. Extended battery for my Sony camcorder. That's really heavy, right? You put it here. It's like 3 times, 5 times heavier. Oh, probably like 10 times heavier. And so big. But I want to show you another thing, because from Amazon another box came. My wife is gonna take over. This is really handy. I love this. Okay, take over. Watch for the camera, watch for the battery. Battery is very heavy, so you don't have to move anywhere. This came today together with that Makita USB charger. So I'm gonna just take a quick look inside. It's just the box, and that's the main box. How to use, blah blah blah. How compatibility, high compatibility. Maybe you can record this from the beginning. Slowly, and it's gonna be documentation stuff. How to start charging. So that's funny, because you have manuals directly on the back of the box. Pretty practical. Makes you wanna keep the box. I'll come closer because you don't have to move, because so big battery. But now you can know for sure that you can record for a long time. I didn't make this. I didn't make this opening. Okay, that's not important. Let's see what's in this yellow box. First, some screws. Okay, that's a charger holder, and that's another one. I like this one better because I already have one similar with the screws inside and everything. You can plug it. It's good because no dust comes inside. Inside of this box, we're gonna keep this, is this thing here. So again, maybe electric vehicle supply user manual. Start from here.
It's the same thing.
Same thing. I know it's the same thing, but just wanna. This one is in the color. Just go slowly, scan it. And this one here. Good. And this one here. Okay. This is the bubbly bag. They just threw it over my gate, which is good. Nobody could steal it. Oh, that's a nice one. I bought it on a sale. It was on a sale. It was $400. Just a second. It was over $400, right? But I bought it for 320 Canadians. 319.99, so 320 Canadians I bought it, but it was over $400. So okay, that's the plug. I have already socket, so that's 50 amps. I have a whole thing. I made it for 40 amps. Gina, come here, please. And that's the body of the charger itself. So that's the body. It says it's like water protected, resistant. I'm gonna keep this one here too. It's the same thing. Oh, okay. Come on. rubbery thing. Very nice. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Yeah. Oh, you fit in the box. Record this little lady. She fits in the box. Almost, almost. You almost fit in the box. Wow. 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 I love this. I don't know, but something is so nice about this. Feels so secure. Okay, another one. Okay, this is really handy. I like it. Husky. Snips. Really nice snips. The cable itself should be 25 feet, right? I don't need it that much. So inside of it, it's a combination CCS, whatever how they call it. And this thing is pretty long. It's really nice. Nice and soft. This is pretty sturdy. I hope it fits nicely. So let's measure it just roughly. Like 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters, 6, 7, and about 8 meters, right? That's about right. That should be 25 feet. I like it. The only thing is I just need to, I already have in the basement 50 amp plug receptacle. Actually, I cannot plug it now. I need to. Okay, yeah, you can record this maybe. That's just the box opening. I cannot show you how it works, but soon I will. When I change connection on my existing charger, my existing charger is 16. This should be 32 amps. So this one is maybe it's a TUV. It's a TÜV. Technische Überprüfung Vehicles. Wagens. Maybe not Wagens. But it's a German standard for, did you record the 5 millimeters square? 6 millimeters square. And then 2.5. So it should be good for the 32 volts. 40 amps, 50 amps, 40 amps actually. But they say 80% of 40 is about 32. So 32 amps should be pretty good for charging my electric car. Our Kona EV. Yeah, it says 230 volts, 32 amps. So 16, 32, 40, and 32 is crossed, is marked. So it should be 32 amp charging power. Should finish my battery in about 7 hours instead of 14 hours with 16 volts. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.